Yeah.
Please tell me got blow them out.
What was that?
Oh!
Oh my goodness. My heart is broken.
Oh, looky there.
Looky.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
There's
that
Happy
hushed her up
birthday.
real quick.
Here's
Yes.
yours.
Look at that.
That looks
Good.
nice.
Yes, that's
How
good.
about that one?
Get you bite. Yeah.
Allie, are you trying to drive everybody mad?
Yeah, looky here.
You know, if it was on the table, she'd already took it.
But don't do it, mate.
Just give her a second. She's got to get used to it.
Mmm.
No.
Play-Doh.
She's not sticking her mouth yet, but she's getting a handful. Oh, she must have got a little bite, didn't she? Abby, eat it.
Yeah, it's actually a tow truck, but it didn't fit on there.
Oh, no.
Oh,
She
no.
just rubbed it all over her face.
A bite? A bite? Eddie, bring a washcloth because she's like wipe her eye. Hurry up.
Here, Dad.
Special. Thanks. Now, that's enough,
Okay,
Daddy.
see?
Now you've made it itch. She's got some in her mouth.
Oh,
See her?
Mmm, good.
tearing it up.
Good.
There she goes.
There. Mmm, yes.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Get your book out of the way there.
Somehow, some way, she's tired. She's alright right now, Dad.
There she is.
Yeah,
Yum, 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 yum.
No, no,
Yum,
no.
yum, yum, yum.
Remember, she's doing a lot better than Allie did. Allie wouldn't touch it.
Listen to her. Yum, yum, yum. Did they make that up for you there?
No, it was already made. She's got a hole running down her forearm, and she's just got
No, I just picked out a cake they already had ready.
Oh.
I didn't order one. Since I changed the party date 800 times, it wasn't
Well,
really
that's neat.
logical.
That little size is just perfect.
How much do you think the little one was?
I have no idea.
The stamp covered it. $3.
Too bad.
That one was only what? Look, honey, that thing is demolished.
Pull it all to her.
Yes. There we go.
That's under her
I like to
arm.
get close to my work. Yeah, right.
You are
That's what you call rigging it in. See, that's what you call rigging it in.
Wow.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
She's doing
yeah.
She's
Thank
really
you.
into it.
Thank
Now, that's
you.
the candle lighter.
That's good.
Since we quit smoking, we still leave them to light candles and
Yeah.
stuff, you know, the
Well, you
stove.
always need one.
Yeah,
I keep-
we've still got 5 or 6 of them.
I
But
keep
Allie's
lighters
bring,
and matches.
she'd bring the lighter to me and say, cigarette. I was like, no. I said candles. I said cigarettes are bad. But she always bring a cigarette.
It saves you money too.
When
When I used to smoke, I quit.
I don't know. What'd you say, Allie?
Yeah, I can tell a big difference. Oh, is this? You giving this to me? Is that mine? Huh?
You can tell a big difference what, Dad?
And money
What
after
is it?
stop
Keys.
smoking.
Oh, teething.
Go ahead and hit the off button on that.
Oh, did I stick my hand
What is
in
it?
it?
Bongos? Huh?
Some old bald man.
Right there where it already was, down there where it's flashing.
Stop.